When we speak of the big one, medyo hinihiwalay na tayo ng FIVOX natin sa paggamit niyan. Because we would like the public to understand the strong earthquake is not just happening in Metro Manila. There is a threat of strong earthquakes happening in the entire country.
2004, it's not just me. JICA came out with a study that with an earthquake 7.2, 50,000 people will get killed. Based on a population of data of year 2000. 50,000 people will get killed, 30,000 from the earthquake, 20,000 from the fire that will happen after the earthquake.
Ang guguho na structure is 170,000 structures, mostly residential. 350,000 will be partially damaged. At saka ang mamamatay doon is 33,500 the first impact. Ang ma-injured 120,000. So ang ating bed capacity is 57,000 all over Metro Manila lang, both private and public hospital.
7 bridges will collapse. Metro Manila will divide into 4 segments. 2% of tall buildings will collapse. 30% of low-rise buildings.
In the past years, we could see that we have learned dun sa mga past disasters natin. Nagkaroon tayo ng realization na kailangan natin maghanda. We are now also utilizing the social media. So ito na rin ginagamit na natin ito as a platform to launch our campaigns, to inform people on safety tips, on programs. We are beefing up our capability and capacity for response.
There are 18 kinds of disasters, and 8 of them are natural disasters, and 10 are man-made disasters. And is the Philippines ready? We are not. Scale 1 to 10, maybe infrastructure-wise, I would score it at 2. And then for awareness, maybe 7, thanks to the responsible media.
Maraming tao, when you say evacuation, siguro mga 30-40% at best, no, nakakapag-evacuate tayo. Especially if we're talking about, more so if we're talking about preemptive evacuation. If it's preemptive, naku, mas lalo na, wala namang bagyo hindi pa naman umuulan, wala pang ang baha, bakit pa kami mag-evacuate?
The strategy namin is to community-based talaga ang unahin, na matutos na mag-prepare. Kasi i-inform natin sila lahat ng hazard. Ang hirap i-convince yung barangay na mag-cooperate at saka makinig na talagang seryosohin nila.
Immediately, we sit down together, plan, look at the forecast, which areas will be affected, what are we supposed to do, and who are supposed to be taking care of these things.
I have been recommending that each community or city or municipality must have an evacuation area. And that evacuation area, ideally around 10 hectares.
Bigyan kami ng laya na ganito yung ito yung strategy namin. Bigyan na talaga ng budget na appropriate para doon. Pati sa manpower, dagdagan yung mga tao na dapat dedicated doon.
How prepared are we? I think we have used the mechanisms that we deem necessary para maghanda yung tayo at yung agencies natin.